Welcome to the PLA Spotlight series. In this video we show you how to migrate your PLA 3.0 database to PLA version 3.0.5. To migrate your database, perform the following two steps. First, update your database version. Second, for technical reasons related to the update, convert your existing application packages to the new add-on format. Note that this conversion is required due to changes in deployment. It does not change the package version or impact your data and results. You can continue to work with your package version. To update the database, open Database Management from the Tools menu of the Login dialog. Select the database you want to update and click Repair. Confirm the dialog. Please keep in mind that the process is not reversible. After the update, only PLA 3.0.5 installations can access the updated database. Next, connect to the database. Now, convert your existing packages to add-ons. Use the link to open Add-on Management. Only packages requiring conversion are displayed. Note the icon that indicates their status. In the PLA 3.0.4 database we updated two versions of the biological assay package, that is, versions 23 and 26, were available. Add-on Management now lists both versions. We recommend converting all versions and, after conversion, deactivate the version you don't want to use. To start conversion, select an add-on version and click Activate. Add-on conversion may take a while depending on the add-on and your system. Some add-ons contain sample documents and templates. If you want to work with them, you have to add them to your database. But you can cancel this step for now because the data is not needed for migration. Repeat the conversion procedure for the remaining packages. Once you have converted all packages, refresh the dashboard and clear the filter applied to Add-on Management. Now, database migration is complete. Activate the add-ons you need and deactivate those you don't need. Deactivate version 23 of the biological assay package, for example. Or activate a data acquisition module. Enjoy your work with PLA 3.0. If you want to know more about PLA 3.0 and its add-ons, visit our website.